Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Yuliana Ratnasari from class XB with student number 2025-74-7163. In this video, I'm going to talk about motivating EFL learners, strategies to keep students engaged in teaching English as a foreign language. Through this presentation, I will explain why motivation plays an important role in EFL learning and how teachers can create engaging and meaningful English lesson for students. This presentation is prepared for the course Academic Speaking for Scientific Purposes under the guidance of Professor Dr. Masadi Said MPD. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Here is the outline of my presentation. First, I will explain the importance of motivation in EFL learning. Then, I will discuss common challenges in EFL classroom and how teachers can understand EFL learners better. Next, I will explain several strategies to motivate EFL learners and the role of the EFL teacher. Finally, I will conclude the presentation by highlighting the key takeaways. Motivation in EFL learning refers to student desire and willingness to learn and use English. In an EFL context, English is usually learned as a school subject rather than as a language used for daily communication. Because of this, many students feel hesitant, shy, or unsure when using English in the classroom. In other words, motivation affects not only student ability to learn English, but also their attitude towards the learning process. For example, motivated students are more willing to ask questions, respond to the teachers, and practice speaking without feeling afraid. This shows that motivation is closely related to the students' confidence and participation in the classroom. Motivation matters in EFL learning for several important reasons. First, English is not used as daily by most students, so they have limited opportunities to practice outside the classroom. Second, students also have limited exposure to English in real life situations. As a result, teachers cannot rely only on textbook or grammar explanation. They need to build student motivation so that learning English becomes meaningful and enjoyable. This is why motivation is considered a foundation for successful EFL learning. There are several common challenges in EFL classroom. Many students are afraid of making mistakes, especially when they speak English in front of their classmates. Some students also develop passive learning habits and prefer to remain silent during lesson. For example, students may understand the lesson but choose not to speak because they are afraid of being wrong. This situation can create a silent classroom where only a few students participate. Therefore, teachers need to address these challenges by creating a supportive learning environment. To motivate students effectively, teachers need to understand EFL learners. Students have different ages, backgrounds, and learning needs. In addition, emotional factors such as anxiety, fear, and self-confidence strongly affect learning. When students feel safe and supported, they are more willing to express their ideas in English. This emotional support helps reduce anxiety and increases students' motivation to learn. As a result, learning becomes more effective and enjoyable. Young learners and teen learners have different characteristics. Young learners usually learn best through play, repetition, and fun activities. On the other hand, teen learners need lessons that are relevant to their lives and appreciate recognition for their effort. For example, games may work very well with the young learner, but teen learners may prefer discussion, role plays, and problem-solving activities. If teaching strategies do not match student needs, students may lose interest. Therefore, understanding learners' characteristics is essential in motivating them. The first strategy to motivate EFL learners is creating a positive learning atmosphere. Teachers should encourage students to try and accept mistakes as a part of the learning process. Mistakes should be seen as opportunities to learn, not as failures. When students feel respected and supported, they become more confident to use English. Building trust and respect in the classroom helps students feel safe and motivated. The second strategy is using interactive activities. Activities such as games, role plays, pair work, and group work allow students to practice English actively. In interactive activities, students do not only listen, but they actively use English. For example, role plays help students practice real-life communication. This active involvement helps students remember vocabulary and expression easily. As a result, students feel more confident and motivated to participate in the future lesson. Another important strategy is making learning meaningful. Teacher can use real-life context and connect lesson to student daily experiences. For example, teacher can use daily conversation, classroom instruction, or simple real-life situation. When students see the connection between English and their real lives, learning becomes more meaningful. This approach helps students understand the purpose of learning English. Positive reinforcement is also an effective way to motivate students. Teacher can give verbal praise, simple rewards, or positive feedback. It is important to focus on student effort and progress, not only on correct answer. This makes students feel appreciated and encourage them to keep improving. The EFL teachers play a crucial role in motivating learners. Teachers act as motivators, facilitators, and role models. Teachers' words, attitudes, and encouragement strongly influence student motivation. A supportive teacher can help students feel confident, while a negative environment can reduce motivation. Therefore, teachers play a key role in shaping student learning experience. Maintaining motivation over time is also important. Teachers should be consistent in their teaching, use varied activities, and listen to the student needs. By doing so, teachers can keep students engaged and motivated throughout the learning process. Here are the key takeaways from this presentation. First, motivation is essential in EFL learning. Second, engaging strategies help increase student confidence. Third, teachers have a strong influence on student motivation. This presentation is based on well-established theories in EFL teaching. The concept of motivation and motivational strategies are adapted from Don Yee. The discussion on effective factor in language learning refers to Brown. Meanwhile, teaching strategies and the role of the teacher are based on Harmer's work on English language teaching. To conclude, motivated learners are confident learners. By motivating students, teachers help them develop confidence and positive attitude toward English. In the long term, this motivation supports students' success in learning English as a foreign language. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.